Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have a problem, and in this problem we're gonna find the value of x that we have here, x and 3x also here. The only information we are given is the length of this segment AB and also this segment CD. So how to solve the problem? Well, we know that in a right triangle, if we draw the median to the hypotenuse, the length of the median is half the length of the hypotenuse. So if we consider the length of hypotenuse is c, the median length is c divided by 2. So we have a right triangle of A, B, and D. If we draw the median, the length will be half of this length, so this is 2. And if I denote this point as E, we have this length, which is half the length of the hypotenuse, which is 2, and also this length, which is also 2. So this length is 2 and also this length is 2. So we have an isosceles triangle. If this angle is 3x, this is also 3x. Another thing we can do is that we know that in a triangle, if we want the value of the exterior angle, it's the sum of the two remote angles. So we have alpha plus beta for this exterior angle. So if we want to find this exterior angle, the sum of these two angles is the value for this angle. So we can write 6x for this angle. We also have another isosceles triangle here because this length is 2 and also this length is 2. So this angle is 6x. So this angle will be also 6x. And we know that the sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So if we denote this angle by alpha, the sum of these interior angles should be 180 degrees. So we can write 6x plus 6x plus alpha should be equal to 180 degrees. We can simplify it. 12x plus alpha is equal to 180 degrees. This is the first equation that we found. Another thing we can do is for this angle, which is a right angle, so we can write BDE plus EDA should be equal to 90 degrees because this angle is a right angle. So for BDE we can write CDE minus CDB plus EDA is equal to 90 degrees. For CDE, we can write alpha. For CDB, this angle, we can write x. And for EDA, we have here 3x is equal to 90 degrees. If we simplify it, we get alpha plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. And this is the second formula we found. If we solve this equation for alpha, we can get alpha. And if we subtract 2x from both sides, we'll get 90 minus 2x. If we substitute the value of alpha to the first equation, we can write 12x plus alpha, which is 90 minus 2x is equal to 180. If we simplify this, we get 10x plus 90 is equal to 180. If we subtract 90 from both sides, we'll get 10x is equal to 90. And if we divide both sides by 10, we'll get x is equal to 9. And that's the final answer to the problem. Have a good time.